Welcome back. We're going to be unboxing this mystery bag from SHOPMISSA.com. The links will be in the description box below. And this is their spring edition. So for $5 you get 10 or more items, and they're completely randomly selected for you. And I think it's just their overspill from their website, whatever it may be. I was intrigued but had to get it. So mine came in a light pink sachet bag, and it's got they tied a cute little bow here. Well, first item is this earring card, and these are actually really cute. There's some like rhinestone earrings, pearls, gold balls, these cute little circle earrings here, some bows with the pearl on there, and some really cute pink flowers. I really like these because that is actually right up my alley. I will totally wear every pair. Well, next I have this really cute floral hair clip. It's actually really cute as well, and it's brown. Let's see. The next item we got, maybe just a bracelet or an ankle bracelet. And it has some gold chains and some red beads and some like rhinestones. It's actually really cute. This is a massive one, and this says it's a body chain jewelry. I don't know how I feel about that. There is also, last thing for the jewelry, there is a ring in here. It's not going to fit the ring finger well, but if you wear like multiple rings and stuff, that's going to be really cute pairing with other rings. Next we have 5 makeup items. So the first one is from Clean Color. They actually, almost all of them are Clean Color. This is from their Master Strokes Long Wear Satin Lipstick, and this is actually came kind of smushed a little in the lid, but that's okay. It's still going to be able to use this. It's like a nude pink. That shade is actually right up my alley. It's so beautiful. It's called Sweet, and it's 16 pink. It's a little bit brighter than what I thought, but it's still really pretty. And then I got the Princess Pearl eyeshadow. It's also in like a pink shade. So that's sealed up. Ooh. Yeah, it's a really pretty pearl pink shade. So I'll incorporate that in a look. That's going to be really pretty for like inner corner or lid shade. I got a Clean Color Madly Matte lipstick in Slate. So I'm assuming this is a gray shade. Yes, gray. And that Clean Color satin lipstick has like a grape scent to it. This just smells like, kind of like a regular kind of makeup weird smell. Kind of crayon-y. But that's a pretty shade though. So yes, it's kind of gray. The next lippy we have is from Clean Color. It's called Madly Matte Lip Gloss. It's actually slightly darker than coming off on the camera and brighter. And this is in grape. Let's see about this one. Ooh, I actually really like that. It's really bright and fun. So it kind of smells grapey as well. And then lastly, we have this Clean Color Paris Escape 2-in-1 Lip and Cheek Balm. And the shade is Dusk Rose. Actually sounds like something I would pick out for myself as well. Very creamy. Super pigmented. Was not expecting that. Wow, super creamy. Oh, when it dries, like, when it starts to dry, it's like powdery. Well, that's kind of neat. That's pretty. So I see the theme they were going for, and I love it. Almost everything kind of coordinated together in the baggie, so that's really cool. I'll say this is totally worth $5. I got 10 items, so half off of what you would purchase on the website itself. So super excited for all this stuff. Like I said, stay tuned for additional reviews and videos using all these products, and there'll be several SHOPMISSA links in the description box below, as well as the playlist. So definitely check that description box out. Stay tuned, and thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already.